Hello, and welcome to Petrichor Tarot. This is a general message for the collective, one that we will call the Daily Rain. Let's get to it. Today is August 25th, 2025. I greatly appreciate if you could like and or subscribe to the channel. It'll help it grow. Additionally, if you would like to schedule a personal reading with me, that information is in the description box below. Thank you for your patience. I like to shuffle the cards. Just one more, please. Thank you. This is the Eight of Cups, Nine of Wands, Six of Wands, Six of Pentacles, and the Hierophant. So this energy that's coming up right now, like immediately it just says deliberation. And it talks about the word that comes up is retirement. This is something that has been in the talks for a while now. You've been going about it for a minute, trying to see what is the best way of wrapping up this chapter in your life. You know, you've put in the good work. You've put in, years of service, and you're quite satisfied with how everything has gone. You've wrapped up, and it's time to reap the benefits. It's a little daunting. It's a little daunting because, I mean, you're looking forward to this, right? You're looking forward to this. But once you are here, once you are in that energy of, I'm no longer doing my 40-hour work week, let's say, I now have time to think about all the things that I didn't get done. Kind of brings a little bit of sadness into it. But there's all that possibility, what to look forward to. That's what this feels like. This feels like a closing of a chapter. Very likely, like I said, retirement. It could also be to close a business or to sell it. You set it up to be this great opportunity, provided stable work throughout, but you have come to that conclusion that it's time. It's time for a different way of appreciating your life. It's not that this doesn't resonate. It's just you're this different person. You grew up and you respected and you had, just admiration for the work that you did and the people that you worked with. But now it's you want to pour that into something else. It's not like cutting something completely off and going off on this crazy adventure. No, this feels like this is something that you've already discussed with your family, or your significant other. You've had some introspection about this, and you said it's time. This is what I want for me, and this is what I want moving forward. Whether you're 45, 65, whatever, you're going to receive this energy really, really well. This energy of taking on new adventures, taking on new projects, new goals, that had always been there in the back of your mind. And it just looks really good. I'm going to take an additional card. Just a moment. The Nine of Pentacles. Yeah. The Nine of Pentacles. It looks great. It looks so fulfilling and so just happy. Enjoying, just basking in tranquility. It emanates. It emanates just the sense of gratitude and joy and just appreciation for this new life that you're about to, or you are currently on. It's great. It's great. This is excellent. This is excellent for you. Job well done. Your time is precious, and I thank you for tuning in. Come back tomorrow, like and subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. See you next time.